We're working on a Volvo XC90. This is T5 model, and we are replacing the famous known leaking coolant pipe from this area. So this pipe comes over here, goes underneath the water pump, goes underneath the thermostat, and goes straight down there into the oil cooler. So this pipe cools oil with coolant. The part number is, here it is. This is the part number 32382-362, and it's called plastic pipe. It took me a while to find this part for a long time. I had to remove everything in order for it to find. So this is where it usually leaks. This is the other end. This is the end. No, this is the end. Yep, this is right there. This is where. Oh yeah. Stay. Don't move. So this is where the pipe leaks, right there. You guys can see. Yep, this little hole right here. The part itself is $40 with tax. Just some decent amount of work, so I'm gonna take you step by step. I'm gonna take you step by step how to perform. So the first thing that you gotta do is you remove the airbox with just a couple clips. Then you have to remove the intake manifold. I managed to get the intake without like removing the whole harness and stuff like that. Once you remove that, the intake manifold, you have to remove the tube. The tube from turbo. Later on is thermostats, and after that it's water pump, which has 3 screws. There's one over here, there's a second one, and all the way on the bottom, as you can see, that's the third one that holds the whole pipe. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 pipes over here, and then obviously you got 1 screw, 2 screws, third, fourth, fifth, and then 6th and 7th screw from the intake manifold. The biggest problem I had with this pipe, removing these stupid clips, is painfully annoying. It took some time. Maybe I struggled with it for like 2 hours. So the whole thing that you gotta do is you have to remove, you pull this one over here, you pull this clip over here, so it locks. I'm gonna lock it up. Here we go, it locks over here. So you have 1 clip locks over here. This is the second one. What did I do? I think let me see. What did I do? Yeah, I did. Yeah, because it holds this thing. Did I do? No, I didn't do this. So yeah, because once you take this clip and you try to touch the other side, watch how this clip is gonna snap back into its place. See? So fucking annoying. So you gotta hold this part. You have to push this one while holding this, and then later on you have there's no tab. Later on you just wiggle out the whole pipe. What you can do is maybe you can put something over here under these 2 spots, so the whole thing can kind of stay clipped up, and that's it. You just pull the pipe out. Easy job. I think costs around $1,000 on Volvo service to do. But yeah, let me mount the GoPro over here, and GoPro, the camera, and I'm gonna do the work so you guys can see the whole thing. See you soon.